My poor Romeo. Poor baby. You didn't get sick, did you, Dingo? My Dingo didn't get sick? No. Juliet, did you get sick? No. Is it your turn, though? I think it's your turn, Juliet. It's your turn to get sick. You never get sick. You get ear stuff. Juliet, you've been well ever since I got your eyes done, huh? Yeah. Got your eyes done and got you all fixed, huh? You ain't been back. Poor Romeo. Kaylee, you gonna cough for me? Cough. Cough. Cough, Kaylee. Hey, baby. Hey, Kaylee, you gonna cough? Juliet, look at that water you dribbled all over the floor. My gosh.